Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in not today's newspaper, no, last Friday. Yes, this additional is from last Friday, August the 20th, 2021, and today is actually Monday, August the 23rd, 2021, and I've told you earlier there are no extra Sudokus or additional in today's newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. The Saturday edition, I've solved all the puzzles in the weekend. So now it's time for the Friday, the day before. Alright, and this one will be number 3, 2, 8, 5. 8, 5. Alright, 3, 2, 8, 5. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 printed digits. Well, should be an easy one. 20 with 20 printed digits. For 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. That's my time limit for 1 star puzzle. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? The single box is always a 1. I see here 2 single boxes. Always a 1. Alright, then the following question to you. Dual boxes. Do we see here any dual boxes here? No dual boxes. Quadra boxes then. No, triple boxes. With 3 boxes. No triple boxes in this puzzle. Quadra box, I see here a quadra box. And if you see a quadra box in an L shape, that means the inside box, this box, is always a 5. So 2 boxes left in this L-shaped quadra box. The 1 and 3 is already filled in, so the other 2 should be the 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. I cannot fill this directly. Alright. Quadra box, here we have more quadra boxes in this puzzle. No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or structures or construction or figures. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw this, the L shape. If you see here the L shape, this is rotated. That means that this box has the same number as that box. Let me show you. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes in this puzzle? No. I see another shape, this shape. Alright. This shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. More of this kind of shape. Let me see. Yeah, another one here. So this box has the same number as that box. It's connected. Alright. A T shape. T construction. T figure. Let me draw this. Yes. Rotated. The T. Yes. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. More T shapes in this puzzle? No. Then, let me see. This kind of shape. Yeah. I think this one is the last one. Yeah. Let me draw this. Yeah, okay. This one. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes. Yeah, rotated. Here you see, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. It's already filled in. Okay. So those are the shapes. I think there are 4 1, 2, 3, 4 in this puzzle that you need to recognize. There are more, but in this puzzle we have the 4. Alright, so the next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. Alright, this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 5 and 4. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 2. Okay, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 2. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. That means this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and a 3. Well, we have a 2 here, so it cannot be a 2. It should be a 3. Yes. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Alright. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. These 3 boxes surround a 5. Cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Alright. Alright. Let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Okay. Then. Yeah. This box cannot be a 3, but also this box cannot be a 4. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. I forgot. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box cannot be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah. This box is complicated. I will explain. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be in one of those 3 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 3 boxes. So here cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Alright. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. Okay, 1 box left in this cross area for number 4. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5, yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, this box cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. In this area, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair, 2 and a 4. Okay. Then. Yeah. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be a 3 or a 4. We have a 3 and a 4 there as a pair. Can it be a 5? Can it be a 2? So 1 digit left should be a 1. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Let me think. 4 and a 5. This box is connected. Can it be a 1? Can it be a 4? Well, this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left. Here we have a pair 2 and a 4. This should be 3 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with 5. This box cannot be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. Alright. Okay. Difficult part. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shape area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and a 5. Okay. 2 and a 5. I think this box should be a 4, because it cannot be 2 and a 5 there. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left should be a 4. Okay. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 5 and a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Alright. Well, I cannot place a 5 here. We have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2. And that box should be a 5. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Alright. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. And the last 2 numbers of this area for the numbers 3 and 2. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright. Alright. I've told you need to be faster than 50 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And if there are any comments, or I've made an error, or if you see an old Sudoku, or the Sudoku is already printed or published, just inform me. I don't like that the publisher publish again the old Sudokus. Yeah, we need new ones. So publisher, do not publish old Sudokus that is already published in the past. All right. So again, thank you. Have a great and fantastic Monday, not Friday, but Monday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.